Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toshi BSC token. Now this token is starting their pre-sale on Pinksale.finance today. Name of the token is Toshi BSC, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now the original Toshi did very well. It was a popular token. I just recently uploaded a video on that token when it got listed on Poloniex, I believe. So check that video out if you're not familiar with the original Toshi token. Obviously, it is a dog meme token, and those are, somewhat popular according to Doge, Shiba, Floki, Saitama, and the 10 other billion Doge tokens out there. But yes, now we have Toshi BSC starting their pre-sale today on Pinksale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Toshi BSC. So yeah, Toshi BSC, all one word, the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is going to be a public pre-sale, and obviously this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's right in the name. And the pre-sale will start today at exactly, well, it's August 18th, 15 hours UTC time, and just goes for 1 day until August 19th, 15 hours UTC time. Soft cap is 1 BNB, so once it reaches 1 BNB, it's a successful pre-sale. There is no hard cap, so time will just run out. It'll just run for a day, and then it'll be over. Now, there's a full audit on here. They were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pinksale. It says, don't miss the next 1,000 times Toshi launching on the Binance Smart Chain. 90% total supply burned. No DEB tokens. Together we can bring Toshi BSC to the top and make Toshi BSC a true gem. Low market cap, no private sale, DEX view ads, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, DEX Tools, Base Team, PooCoin ads, AveDex, and Twitter trending. So they have a Telegram, which you can find at Toshi BSC Global. They have 3,404 members on their Telegram, so that's doing pretty well there. They also have a Twitter at Toshi BSC XYZ, 5,216 followers, and I put that in the corner of the page over there so you guys can easily find this project here. Toshi, oh, it's a cat. Did I say dog? I thought it was this whole time, you look at the picture sideways of the ear, and I thought it was a dog. My bad. Toshi the cat. Why did I not remember that this was a cat? I literally just did a whole video on Toshi the cat token 3 or 4 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. That's how bad my memory is. All right, I'm 41 now. I know I don't look 41. I look super young, but yes, not a dog. 100% Toshi the cat. My bad. I'm gonna, probably people watched the first minute of this video and then clicked off. They probably already left a comment going, it's a dog, peace out, right? Anyways, Toshi the cat, unleashing the perfection of the BNB chain is what it says. How did I think it was a dog? Anyways, I see one bad thing about this token so far. So first of all, if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get the token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, you can get this token on Pancakeseap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeseap, and then trading your BSC for the Toshi token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, toshibsc.xyz. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes, but we'll go over the tokenomics here in a second. And it says liquidity will only be locked on Pancakeseap for 51 days. So that is not a long time. So hopefully they do extend that. Now it says 89.36% of the tokens will be burnt. 7% of the tokens go to presale and 3.49% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now there's also another warning here in their free and quick light audit. So the good things on here, it says owner cannot mint new tokens, cannot set max transaction amount, cannot set a blacklist, cannot set fees over 10%, cannot pause trading. But then it says a warning here, trade must be enabled by the owner. So just be aware of that. That warning's there for a reason. Now, a normal YouTuber, after he called a cat token a dog token 15 times and then realized he was wrong, would have just remade the video. But not this guy. Stubborn. Stubborn. Now, let's go over to their webpage here, toshibsc.xyz. They do have, it says white paper on their webpage, but if you click on it, it takes you nowhere. So maybe there's one in the works. They tell you how to buy this token on their webpage in case you didn't understand what I said. And it says Toshi BSC, the cat on the block and base. Toshi BSC, the largest community token on the BNB chain. Now, tokenomics. Oh, it says no taxes, so you will not have to worry about changing slippage. They have an ENS name that you can see for their wallet here that's going to be used for central exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. They have a roadmap on here. Let's start with that. So it says, Phase 1, Toshi BSC project establishment, white paper, smart contract coding, audit, social media channels launching, pre-fair launch marketing, Toshi BSC token launch, fast track listing on CoinMarketCap, AveDex, Phase 2, whitelist registration for NFTs. So they're going to have Toshi BSC NFTs come out in the future and you'll be able to get them on a whitelist. Then they're going to have their own NFT marketplace come out. Then marketing for a cross-chain feature. First central exchange listing. Sponsorships and partnerships. Phase 3, NFT minting will come out. Then adding features to Toshi BSC ETH. It's funny that they're going to call it Toshi BSC ETH. And there already is an ETH. Toshi BSC. Why would they need to be cross-chain? But anyways. Toshi BSC NFT Marketplace launch, marketing for Toshi ETH Bridge, and Phase 4, enabling cross-chain NFT staking. Then there's a big disclaimer at the bottom of their page. Check it out, toshibsc.xyz, and you can find this pre-sale starting today on Pinksale, and then this token shortly after that will move over to Pancakeseap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about Toshi the Cat token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.